Top 5 natin, Joshua Pascual, Marcelo pang-apat. Nakabulan sila kanina sa ahon eh.
Wala ko pangatlo siya.
Sponsor po again ng Aritaw Bikers Club po yung 4th place.
Panglima natin Joshua Pascual.
Marcelo Felipe. So si Marcelo Felipe po, isa po siya sa member ng Victorious Force Pro Cycling Team Continental. So they are based in Europe. Actually, umuwi sila from Europe just to race here in Vizcaya. Kasi na makita yung Vizcaya. Thank you very much for your support. 3rd placer. Ronald Balanza from Standard Insurance Navy. So sponsor po ng CCQ restaurant po ang kanilang prices, and along with V-Pharma, meron pong V-Pharma. Nagbigay po siya ng sponsor din from V-Pharma Pro Cycling Team, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd po yan. Hindi po kasali yung 4th and 5th. 1st, 2nd, 3rd lang. 2nd placer.
So ito ating mga top 5 ngayon. Panglima si Pascual.
2nd placer, John Paul Morales, PNSI.
Grabe. O bata ba yan?
John Paul ang ating pangalawa.
John Paul Morales ng Standard Insurance Cycling Team. Yan, siya po ang 2nd placer. Yan po ang medal niya. And then, with V-Pharma, yung prize po sponsor po ng Manitoba Petron kay Ross Michael Tan. Thank you very much po.
First place, and from Team Excellent Noodles, Mervin Corpus.
Mervin Corpus from Excellent Noodles Pro Cycling Team. So, grabe ang tuloy niya. Wala pang ensayo yan. Hindi natin mamaya. Congratulations, Mervin and team, and the rest of the podium winners. Thank you very much for the sponsors. Salamat po sa pagkakabot and extending the sponsor and support po sa cycling race natin na ito. Without all of you, hindi po ito mangyayari. And of course, with the guidance and provision of our Heavenly Father. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Okay, so we're going to announce also after this podium award winners, we're going to announce the best Vizcaya rider.